What is up, my thrifty friends? Guess where we are? Can you guys see? Value Village. Today we're gonna go thrifting. I have not been thrifting in a week, and last week was actually like a little bit dry here, so I'm hoping that they have some fresh stuff out there. And I don't know, let's go see what we can find.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in all conversations. Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanting to give up cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned my lesson. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. Myself, and I'm thinking out loud, we won't need nothing else for the rest of our time. And I know it so well, I will always be by your side. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
Let's go over the items that we're not keeping today. This is a North Face pair of pants. I think if they were for myself, I would keep them. To resell at $15, that's pretty high. I also found a pair of mother jeans. Oh my gosh, I do not find these often. Actually, I think I've only found one pair, but they have a giant hole where the belt loop was, and they also had a little bit of puckering in the back, so yeah, those are a hard no for me today. I did find these Piranha Pants, and because I had just sold a pair of hiking pants, I was really considering it, but because these were more of a khaki style instead of the lightweight hiking ones, I'm gonna leave them. I actually didn't check comps. And then these AG Goldsmeed, I don't even know how to say that, jeans, I don't know. I haven't had a lot of luck with these ones either. I had two pairs in my closet forever, so I'm just not gonna grab them. Here's a Lululemon bra they were asking $15 for, which I think is absolutely ludicrous, but whatever, you do you, Value Village. And a pair of Gap wide legs, they were asking $10 for them. I had grabbed a pair of these probably like 2 months ago, they just didn't do very well. So for $10, I'm gonna leave them. I really like this sweater, and I just grabbed it to show you guys again. I think if it would have been like a women's large, I would have grabbed it, but it was really small. And then same with this Alaska. It was from 87, I believe, but it was literally like a children's medium. It was so tiny. And then the last are these Dolce Vita boots. They were in really good condition, super nice leather. They sell for a lot, like brand new, but resale just wasn't there. Wasn't convinced, so I left them. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I didn't find a ton of pieces, but I feel like I found some really cool ones. Let's do something new. I was doing it before, but we're just gonna do an in the car haul because this one's not really big, so we might as well go through it right now. But I feel like I got some really cool pieces. First item that I grabbed was this Lululemon bra. I really like the color of it, and it's a 38C. So I spent $36 on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. Yeah, excited about this one. I like Lululemon bras, especially when I can source them for under $10. Next item, and this is something I'm gonna actually put into my fall and winter tote, but it's like a green fleecy shacket, I think. Yeah, it's quite big. Pretty sure it's a men's large, so I'm gonna size it as an XL. Save this for a new listing in fall. Yeah, I like to have a tote for more for like fall and winter and spring and summer, and I kind of like save stuff in there rather than listing this item right away. And that way when fall time comes, I have like a big chunk of seasonal items that I can work on and list until the stores start bringing out their sweaters and jackets and things like that. Next item that I grabbed is this vintage silk red kind of like button down. I have really good luck with silk items. I love the color of this. It's so soft. Something to keep an eye out when you're grabbing vintage silks is discoloration. I don't know why. It's like if someone was hanging this where direct sunlight was on the fabric, I find they'll have like really kind of weird light spots in them. So make sure you're always checking them in good lighting in the store and making sure like the color is all looking good. This one looks good. I did pass on like a taupe colored one, and I actually got to the till with the item and realized at the till that there was like some slight discoloration, and I left it there. It's not worth picking up, not if it doesn't look good. One of the items I'm excited about, although I don't think this is gonna hit my closet, is this TNA cozy black zip up sweater. It looks kind of faded in the camera here, but I promise it's not. It's in really good condition, but it's in an extra small. I'm gonna see if Emika wants it. If she doesn't, it will hit the closet, I promise. Keep your eyes open for that. And the last piece from this little tiny mini thrift haul are these Free People sandals. They're like huge wedge, and they look super dirty, but I kind of like dusted them off in the store, and I know I'll be able to clean them up with my suede brush. But I think they missed them, so they don't actually say Free People, but they have that FP, and they're really nice quality leather. Like you can see the leather inside, and cork sole as well. But these things are ginormous, like probably almost a 6-inch heel on the platform. And they were priced really good, $5.99. I don't normally find Free People shoes for this price. So yeah, that's it. It's just like a tiny little mini thrift haul. I definitely was hoping for more items than what I found, but I'm not going to be discouraged. I have tomorrow off as well, and I'm going to try and come back tomorrow right away when they open and see what kind of goodies I can find. All right, guys. I'm out of here. What do you think of this little mini thrift haul? What are you thrifting? What kind of items are you finding this week? I'd love to hear, and drop down in the comments and let me know. All right, I'm out of here. I'm wishing you many sales, and I will see you next time. Bye.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations. Oh, 'cause I've always been told that things will unfold.